how you can make your first 500 US dollars net profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing and TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly behind the scenes why, if you're early adopter of this method, you can make way more than $300 to $750 per day net profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, as you know, TikTok is really huge social platform. Now let me show you over here on my screen, right? You can see over here, right? Let me show you in the last 28 days, right? You see over here, right? If I show you the followers. Now, what really matters, it's over here. Let's go to overview. You see over here, right? In the last 7 days, 196,000 views, as you can see over here, right? And if I click here, in the last 28 days, let's say 1 month, 1.4 million views. You see over here, 10,000 comments, 630 shares. Now this is all organic, free traffic. Now imagine if you're promoting, let's say, weight loss supplement or manifestation product on ClickBank, how much buyers' attention you can get for free, or of course, if you're start as a beginner, you can even pay 20 to 25 US dollars a day to get faster and quick exposure. But what is really important to understand is TikTok is new Amazon, right? Let me show you what I mean by that. Before I do that, if I go over here to ClickBank, you can see you can choose the product that you can promote. So let's say that you go over here and you see this is in the dietary supplement space, health and wellness, and you're promoting this product on ClickBank. You're getting paid 144 US dollars per sale. Now, if you have only one sale a day, from let's say 1,000 views in a day, right? You're making over, let's say, $4,000 US per month profit as a side hustle, as a side thing, working 30 minutes to 1 hour per day max, right? Because once you have your lender set up, your pre-sale page on ClickFunnels, for example, and promoting product over here, you can see, right? They're paying really nice commissions with lots of upsells. Now, what you have to understand is your audience, right? To have the right message to the market match. Once you have that, of course, everything else, the sales will follow, right? So let me show you exactly how this works in practice. Let's go over here. So let me show you over here, right? As you can see over here, we have early adapters. So we're over here, especially in US. In Asia, it's much more bigger. But if you're promoting to US audience, Canada, Australia, Europe, you can see over here, right? TikTok is around over here, 10% early adopters. It's not that huge yet. Like TikTok Shop, live shopping, it's not that huge, right? So it's over here. And what does it mean for you? It means that you can take advantage and leverage of that to make a lot more money and profits with ClickBank affiliate marketing as an affiliate on TikTok. You see? Now what really matters is this. You see? Why most of the people are struggling to get sales on ClickBank is because this, right? And again, it's not your fault. The reason why is because you don't understand this. We have 5 stages of audience awareness, right? There are people who are unaware. It means they don't know they have a problem. Then we have problem-aware audiences, and then we have solution-aware audience. So those are the people from 3 to 5 who are the buyers. So they're looking for the solutions. They know about the product, and they are also most aware. They just want to buy now. They want the buy button, okay? Swipe credit cards and be done with it. So it matters how you position your landing page and copy here and target the right audience. The great thing about TikTok now is that the audience, it's much more aware, and they are there to buy. They are used to buying. You know, their behavioral pattern is to buy. People go there not only to watch videos, but to buy products as well. So it's already natural to them. It comes natural to them to buy, right? Like, it's not like Facebook. In the early stages, there were no ads. Right now, everyone is used to seeing ads. Same thing with TikTok, right? So that's why if you take opportunity, as I'm showing you right now, you can make really good profits. As you can see here, right? We have different stages of audience. Everyone is competing for the solution aware. Only 5% is the audience size, and competition size 80%. But if you know exactly how to put people in the problem state with the right ad copy, with the right methods of copy, then you see your competition decreases and audience level increases. So you don't have to compete. The competition is really small, right? So you can see over here, let's do the math. If you're spending, let's say over here, let's say you're spending $50 a day on ads, and you're paying only $1 per click, so that's even lower. It means that you're making $250 per day profit. Over here, you could be making $650 per day profit with only 5 sales for $150 product or $100 product on ClickBank. Now, you have a choice here, right? You can always do it alone. You can waste time, you can spend more money, you can try making mistakes on your own, on losing more money on ads, or you can get one-on-one help, basically, where you can generate your first $2,500 in the first 7 days by copying and duplicating what's working in 2024. So you can basically have sustainable income online, right? Without trial and error and money in 7 days, right? Which works really, really well. So as you watch this video, right? What you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. All the links are in the description below. You'll have my Instagram, my Facebook, my WhatsApp number, my personal number where you can text me, but only if you're really, really serious, right? Like if you really want to get results. You can also reach me here on my Instagram, so you can find it over here. You can follow me there. You can DM me if you're serious, if you really want to have results with affiliate marketing without showing your face. Of course, this is faceless TikTok channel where you can promote other people's product. Now, if your goal is to show face and build a brand, you can also do that as well. Okay. So if you have any kind of questions, let me know. Okay. And we can connect personally.